Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Uh, previous video, I have discussed the type 1 hypersensitivity, and now I am going to discuss with you the hypersensitivity 2, type 2. Somehow this is a tricky question, but I will discuss in a very easy way. Just in 2 or 3 headings you will cover all the type 2. What is type 2 hypersensitivity reaction? Type 2 hypersensitivity reaction, I have already told you that this is a cytotoxic. This is the cytotoxic hypersensitivity reaction. Cytotoxic mean that lysis of the cell occur in this reaction. First of all, you have to know that what are the major keywords, key points that have used in this type 2 hypersensitivity. The first of all, the two antibodies IgG and IgM. IgG and IgM are mostly mostly key points or keywords of the type 2 hypersensitivities, and this is the antibody mediated immunity. This is antibody mediated hypersensitivity. In this, antibodies of our body, antibodies of our body fight with the antigen. Antigen is also intrinsic. Antigen is also present in our body, in the cell surface, in the host cell surface of the antigen. Antigen is present on the host cell surface. And the next, the most important example of the I will discuss, that is blood transfusion. When we transfuse blood from one person to the other person, we have checked the antigen antibodies complexes. First, we have checked that the patient with the patient, we have to donate the blood with which antigen have that with antigen, which blood group have the patient. Then next, we have checked the recipient, the patient, the person that have to donate blood to the person. We have checked already. If any mistake occur, that that any mistake occurs and we transfuse the blood A blood group, transfuse the B blood group to the A blood group patient, then the type 2 hypersensitivity occur. First of all, I will tell that blood group A has the antigen A and antibody B, and the blood group B have the antigen B and antibody A, and the blood group AB has antibody AB and antigen AB and antibody AB. When the blood group B transfused to the person who has blood group A, then agglutination occur. The antigen A agglutinate with the antibody A. They have the same antigen A agglutinate with the antibody A, and this is a agglutination occur. And this is the important example of hypersensitivity reaction type 2, that when our body antibodies react to the antigen of our body. Both antibodies and antigen are present in our body in the extracellular matrix. Then the reactions that are important for the antibody, first of all, that complement dependent cytolysis. First, complement dependent cytolysis, in which when the blood group B is transfused to the patient which has a blood group A, most probably then antibodies, antigen, antibody A and antigen cross react with each other and agglutination occur. Here what will happen? This happen that complement activated. which complement activated? The complement C5 and C3. These both complement are activated and this cause the porin formation. Porin formation, what is porin formation? That pores on the red blood cells that cause the lysis of these pores. The cause the pore, because of the pores, the all the nuclear, all the materials expel out from the red blood cells. This cause the lysis of red blood cells, and this is also called membrane attack complex, that because they attack on the membrane of the red blood cell that cause the lysis. Next is the complement dependent inflammation, that the which complement cause inflammation. Complement dependent inflammation in which the any drug that we have, then any drug is given to the patient, they agglutination, then agglutination occurs, that red blood cells agglutination with the antibodies, and this agglutination cause the activation of the complement. The complement, which complement? The complement of C3A and C5A. This C3 and 5A are the chemoattractants. These attract the many chemicals, those chemicals that produce inflammation, and this is the complement dependent inflammation. This is all about the type 2 hypersensitivity. When the type 2 hypersensitivity occur, first of all, lysis of red blood cells occur. Second, what happen? Second, when complement dependent inflammation, second inflammation occur. Inflammation when the drug, orally drug, yeah, any drug from intravenous muscular, any drug is given to the patient, this drug cause that our body, the body recognize the drug as a foreign particle, and this cause a agglutination. Then the complement after the agglutinations due to the drug given to the patient, this cause the chemoattractants C3A and C5A chemoattractants. These are chemoattractants. They attract the chemicals from the vascular beds, and this cause from the chemoattractants, that chemicals from the blood that cause the inflammations. Next, the last one, that happen in the type 2 hypersensitivity is opsonization and phagocytosis. Then that when the drug is coated on the red blood cell, this is opsonization and or phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means engulfment of the foreign particles. This that agglutination. Then this is a complement activation, that complements are 3B and 4B. 3B and 4B that cause the opsins attached on the macrophages. On these opsins are attached on the that are the receptors of the present on the macrophages. Macrophages get attached to the agglutinated blood cells. This opsins cause are the chemoattractant that attract the neutrophils from the circulation. Neutrophils comes for the phagocytosis. Neutrophils phagocytose this agglutinated blood that contain antigen and antibody. Because of the antigen antibody agglutination, then phagocytosis occurs. This is all about the type 2 hypersensitivity. First of all, lysis of the red blood cells occur because of the complement activation. Second, what is happening, that inflammation occur, and the next one is phagocytosis. totally blood cells, totally phagocytose, totally eaten up the red blood cells, that is causing the sensitivity reactions, that will cause the sensitivity reaction. This is all about the hypersensitivity to reaction. If you guys want that this lecture will be in Urdu, then tell me in the comment section. I will tell you in the Urdu and in the easy way, inshallah. If you want, then tell me in the comment section. Jazakallah khair. Allah will bless you all. Thank you so much.